word problem like this, it's useful to start breaking it down and writing it out. When in doubt, write it out. You can never go wrong by writing more things out when you're working through a problem. At the very least, you'll get partial credit. At the very best, you'll find your way through the problem. And so that's what we're going to do with this little word problem here. So to start with, we start reading. We say the difference of, and we can stop. Because when we see the difference, we know this has to be some kind of situation where there's something minus another thing, right? So we'll start with our minus sign here, right? So there's my chunky minus sign. Now, we look to the rest of the word problem to figure out what goes on either side of this minus sign. So we can start by saying, oh, well, it's the difference of 5 times a number and 2. With these kind of statements with difference, you always want to look at this. Look for the and, right? Because that's going to tell you where you want to look for the two sides of the difference, right? So we know if we look, we've got this 5 times a number on the left side of the and, right? And then we have 2 on the right side. So we can translate that down into this. And we can just say 5 times a number. So a number like that minus 2. Well, now you can probably start to see, and this is the value of writing it out. Well, we can start converting some of these terms to their respective kind of values, right? So 2 is pretty easy to convert. We just convert that to straight up 2. So I'm going to come down here, draw my minus sign again, and we're going to convert 2 to 2, right? It's just 2. But this one might be a little bit trickier. 5 times a number. Well, times is multiplication. So to extract this problem out of, or to extract the notation out of these words, you do something similar to what we did up there. So we have this times. Well, that's multiplication, right? Let me draw that as a multiply sign. There you go. Or actually a dot would work better. There we go. So got our dot here. So we got 5 times a number. Well, when you see a number, usually that means, some variable x, right? So our final answer for this word problem, when we completely decipher it, we do 5 times x minus 2, right? And we can actually replace this with 5x minus 2. So this is our answer.